Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of GIS Answers. Today what we'll be looking at is a live Quake mapper application. And what it is it's a GIS map that shows earthquakes in the recent days across the world. And they're represented in white dots on the map. The base map you can change, but right now it's satellite imagery. So when you zoom in, you get more detail and also labels and some roads and water courses and river names and county names. So that's the base map. And overlaid on top is the earthquake feed represented in the white dots. And those come from the US Geological Survey. And that's a live feed. And when you click on it, it's interactive. There you go. There's the USGS, a bit of description of where it is located. Lincolnville, Kansas, and it gives the date, the 5th of May, which is 2 days ago, the XY coordinates, and you can click on more details on the USGS website. 2.7, let's see if we can find a larger one. Obviously, there's clusters along the tectonic plates, along California. Let's see if we can find a larger one. This one might be a bit slightly bigger out here. 2.0. East-southeast of Santa Barbara Island, California, and that has the depth, and that's 13.23 kilometers or 8.22 miles. This map is produced by BQDM. The application is built by them, but the data is from the USGS. Magnitude of 4.1 by Malta. Seems to be a series of these. 4.3 in the Mediterranean Sea, and that was 2 days ago. That was yesterday. There's be a larger one out here. It's like the biggest one of all. 95 kilometers west-northwest of Tonga. Magnitude 7.6. And that was 2 days ago at a depth of 210 kilometers. So quite deep. You can change the base map. Say you wanted to go with maybe a topographic map. Maybe not ideal. Got the oceans map, see if there's a bit of contrast between those white dots and the land. Not really. I think the most contrast is going, well, maybe the gray. Yeah, that one's a good one. Good base map. There's a real cluster around Puerto Rico. Cluster down by Chile, 5.2, near the coast of Chile, depth 40 kilometers. And also on this map, you've got the earthquake faults, so the fault lines. You zoom in, you can see them at quite a lot of detail. And you can type in an address up here. You can search on places. Let's say search on Victoria, BC. See if this works. Yeah, so it zooms in on Victoria, BC. And yeah, there was a 2.2 magnitude earthquake today, just by chance, today, this afternoon. So that's quite interesting. Just by chance, we happened to come across that. And interesting to see the spatial pattern of these earthquakes. Lots of little earthquakes along Alaska. So there you have it. I'll leave a link to this application, the BQDM Quake Mapper. I'll leave a link to that so you can go and use this application. But the data is available through the USGS if you want to use it in your own applications. Please subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, everybody.